More breaking news, of course, at the SARS. South Africans will have more cash in their pockets come month end. The Reserve Bank has cut the interest rate quite drastically.
Yes, the MPC of the Reserve Bank, the Monetary Policy Committee, resolved to cut the repo rate by 100 basis points, taking it to 4.25% per annum. South Africa is already in recession, and the cut has the potential to weaken the rand. Now, this weekend, we saw the U.S. Central Bank cutting its rates. Other banks, too, have followed suit.
Interest rates cuts 2 weeks in a row. 2 months in a row, 2 weeks apart of 100 basis points each. And, if you look at the average sort of saving that the person is going to get, I would say it's probably in the region of about 85 Rand per 100,000 Rand outstanding on a home loan per month that you save. I think if you look at it a bit further, you looking at car loans, which you pay in a shorter time period, where the saving will be more. Obviously, on the other side, say the pensioners and so on that are mainly reliant on interest, they will feel the brunt of this. But I think for the whole economy right now, this is what we need. And I'm not sure if it's the end of all the cutting, but just to put it into perspective, maybe, this is the lowest rate that the Reserve Bank has given South Africa since the oil crisis of 1973. And this shows the amount of worry that the central bank has at present about the economy. And it says to us that certainly they are more worried now than they were during what we now term the Great Recession of 2008 and 9. So this is really a big event, and the fact of the matter is that this is virtually a 40-year low in interest rates for South Africa, and that is a huge, huge change. We'll have to see if the banks can give us off a bit extra, because they now always about 3.5% higher with their prime rate. If they can add another 50 basis points to this by making their margin 3%, I think that would help the economy as well. And that would then leave us with the lowest prime rate that we've had, as I said, since 1973.